some of our strawberries. Oh my god, look at it. Oh, it's like perfect. Wow. Oh my god. So gorgeous. So red, so delicious. This is why I love everbearing strawberries. Oh my god. It's so sweet. Oh, so good. If you're gonna plant strawberries, definitely plant everbearing strawberries because I love that strawberry glut in the beginning of the season, but this just makes it even better. It's so good. We have so many strawberries hidden in here. Wow. And this is their first year. We just planted these this winter and they're doing really, really well. Oh, look, a bee on our raspberry plant. Look at him, he's just pollinating away. Can't wait to eat those berries. This is our berry patch. Oh, look, we got two really nice big ones here. Really nice. Ooh, see, can't even harvest them fast enough. Beautiful. So good. And we got the runners trying to take over the path, so I'll probably just pot those little runners up and sell them. And you can see the roots are starting to grow. See that? Those are the roots. And if you put these on top of a pot of dirt and you hold this little runner down with a bobby pin, they'll root into the pot, and then when you can't pull them up out of the dirt easily, you just cut the runner off and you have a new strawberry plant that you can give to somebody or plant somewhere else in your garden. And we've got a lot of runners, so like this one here, see, I can't pull it up so it's already rooted. So this is a runner that's rooted, and then it sent off a second runner which is starting to root in the mulch. Then we've got a third runner, and that runner is also starting to send off a new runner. So one strawberry plant quickly becomes many strawberry plants. And for the first year being planted, they're doing really well. So we've got blackberries and raspberries planted in the strawberry bed for an overstory. Got strawberry flowers and lots of ripe strawberries. So good. Oops. Here we go. Here's another one. I think I'll eat that. So this is one of our new baby strawberry plants. And what I did was I just stuck the runner on top of the dirt, and I just kind of buried the stem a little bit. You can see right there as I buried it. And then once I couldn't pull it up anymore, I knew it had rooted enough. And so I just cut the little runners off. You can see here, I just cut them off. And we have a new baby strawberry plant. And this one actually was sending out runners, so I cut those off so that all the energy could go towards the main strawberry plant. We're gonna give this away to one of our friends that wants some strawberries. Strawberries, mid-season strawberries. Yeah. Got lots of strawberries here. We have a lot of ants in our yard too. The ants they sometimes get the strawberries before we do, which is kind of annoying, but we have so many that they just can't get them all. So we share some with the birds and some with the ants, and that's okay. Oh, this is a really big one. That's a good one. Gonna eat that. We'll collect the rest and eat them for dessert later. Beautiful strawberries, easy to grow. Really good understory plant. Love it. So thanks for watching, and have a great day, guys.